Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you find your orders on your Weverse app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click here on more down here. So then it's going to take us here in this list. So then all you have to do, you just click here on my orders here, click on it. So then it's going to take you here in this list. So just switch into open video. Then here you will find all orders you have. Like you see here, I have no orders here in my app. So but if you have it, you will find it here in this list here. Then here can you choose if you want to looking for shopping or shipping here, orders or membership or digital or pickup. So here can you choose all. Here status can you choose all or awaiting payment or orders. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.